So when people ask me what I do for a living, this is what I do for a living. I'm actually doing business on the phone and working on the house at the same time. But the business I'm doing on the phone is confidential, so we can't share the audio with you. So instead, I'm going to take you on a little tour of the porch and show you the hard work we've been doing on the windows, the window frames, and getting these windows weighted. I bet this is bad light. I bet I look really old.
Y'all want to know why Lane is so skinny and I'm so fat?
Oh, hush. Look here.
That's it right there.
People are always asking me how I lost so much weight. No, I'm not on the shots. Not that there's anything wrong with the shots. That's not a judgment statement, but that's not how I did it. I had some medical tests come back wonky about a year ago. Gosh, it's been almost a year. Can you believe that? And I cut out, like, we're at a pizza place right now, and I'm having a grilled chicken salad, okay? With like I'll avoid these chips. And so it's, you can see, I cut out all white food. So no white bread, no white pasta, no white rice, no processed foods, nothing that is a simple carb, no sugar. That really does work. That really does work.
Shout out to County Pie.
Okay.
Are you ready now?
I'm so ready to see you eat that burger. This is feeling less like a vlog and feeling more like some kind of weird OnlyFans situation with watching you eat your food. Kevin?
Yes.
Where are you going today?
I'm going to a place called Yantis, I guess, or Yantis, or...
Yantis? Hang on, you're not going to like this the way your head looks, but if I make it one, I can't get far enough away from me. So, Kevin's head isn't really shaped like that. Anyway, tell us who you're going to see.
I'm going to see all my college buddies.
You guys
in
get
Yantis.
Texas?
Texas, yeah.
You guys get together once a year?
A couple times, really.
And
Just rent a house and be dudes.
And dude bro stuff together?
Yeah.
There's going to be some poker playing probably, and
a lot of looking at our phones.
And a lot of looking at your phones. There might be a fire pit.
Yeah, be some fire pit action.
Yeah.
Be some fishing. I probably won't do any fishing.
Well, since the last time you tried to go fishing with your buddy, the canoe tipped over and he got mad at you.
We were just going to canoe. We weren't going to fish, but
and
that didn't work out.
It went badly.
Well. We ended up in the lake. And it didn't take long at all. It
No.
basically didn't get in the canoe. So.
No.
Anyway.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
You just had your first look at Hope Farm. What do you think?
It's unbelievable.
Monumental.
It is historically, grandly, fabulously. I can't wait till it's finished. I can live here.
Overwhelming. I think you're crazier now than I did before.
Hey, look. It's Hope Farm. What are we doing, Mom? Shara, what are we doing now?
Now we're in an antique store, and this is a little thing.
We're thing shopping.
Yes. This is another thing.
How many little things do you think we'll buy today?
Oh my gosh.
All the little things?
All the little things. And this are two clingy things.
Well, good. Look at him eating his burger meat.
Are you having to feed him by hand?
Yes, but it's going fast. He's eating it very quickly.
Okay. Was there any in his bowl?
They're
Had
checking
he
on
eaten
their
that?
dog.
He ate all the hamburger, but he didn't eat any of the food.
Well, that's
Okay,
good.
that's
As long as he's eating the
fine.
hamburger.
Hi, Shutter.
They got him McDonald's hamburgers for while they're
We're
gone.
excited to see you.
Oh, I'm so excited here. Touch your knife.
Shut her.
Say no, you have burger fingers.
Yeah, you got burger fingers. That's all.
This is why they can't travel, because my little brother is still living at home.
Good morning. How are y'all? I'm good. What's left?
Yes, I need you to show me what all you bought at the farmer's market, which is right outside your door today.
Okay, are you recording?
I'm recording.
All right.
What did you get?
We bought everyone a cinnamon roll. Now this is about half of what it was, but Lane enjoyed her half. Delicious. I have a piece of sweet potato pie
Okay.
that,
You will enjoy later. Mother's favorite.
And then I got some jelly I had never heard of before. Mayhaw.
Oh,
And so y'all, some of y'all might know what mayhaw jelly is, but I have never, see, here's the name. And it's supposed to be like a hawthorn berry. Now,
Okay.
I've never had a hawthorn berry. So let's see what else we've got. Oh, bread and butter pickles. Lane's granny, my mama, Frida, made them, start to cry, made them every summer for Lane.
yes.
And so we're gonna see if, oh, Lane, look here, this could be your name. A-L-I-N-E. Alina?
Aline?
Because the same letters.
Yes.
So, Miss Lane made those. And then, there was a sweet little lady that had all kinds of homemade soap. So I bought soothing oatmeal. I think it has vanilla in it too.
Oh,
So there,
yeah. You had a big morning before
Big
you
day.
even picked me up.
big day.
That sounds good. Sounds good to me. Show me extra peach.
Should I choose this?
I think you should choose that.
Yes.
That looks delicious. I'm gonna get some vitamin C hand cream
Are you?
because I always need some good hand cream.
This is so cool.
Isn't it great?
All the stuff. I don't know what to get.
All the things.
All the
Buy all the things.
Up there, oh, right there it is. Bless your heart. And you are my sunshine.
Yes.
That's my baby girl. I have been wanting to do you a church with graveyard painting, and I worked on one forever, and I just hated it. I finally just threw it away.
Are we in Church Hill?
We are.
Did we go shopping?
And I'm gonna paint a picture. Yes, and Lane bought me everything I wanted. Cookies and drinks and just everything.
And now we're gonna go see our friends Rob and Brian at Propinquity and have house tour.
Yes, we are. You should hire Lane and say I have 72 hours. Show me everything.
And then there's Dad. You never see Dad because Dad is always taking pictures. Dad with his camera. There he is.
And we'll see what I get, because
Really?
they were showing like their belt buckles was bubble wrap that they would spray gold and.
Wait with the camera.
Hello.
No
Do
budget.
not film me talking about Star Trek.
What? But they have to know what we sit around and talk about when we're talking. We talk about Star Trek. Who saved Star Trek, Dad?
Lucy.
Lucille Ball.
Lucille Ball.
Sunset chats with Dave and Cheryl.
Oh yeah, we were like anything under 25 is good. But when you can find them for that, we're like. I've seen some good ones where they send you to Istanbul first, but then you get the great.
This is Lane's first time seeing the water this high.
I don't like,
Like-
that.
What's the name of this street?
Silver Street.
This is Silver Street. And this never happens.
Oh my gosh.
That is the Mississippi.
I don't like that. That makes me uncomfortable.
I know.
That gives me a feeling of unease.
It is high,
So how far out would you say the riverbank usually is? Like
like
halfway
40,
to that pilaster, maybe?
30 feet, man.
That is crazy. So usually the river, hang on,
Yeah,
my
let's
finger.
move the finger. Yeah, usually right around there.
There is where the river stops.
It is all the way up.
No, I have nightmares about that.
Look at the pretty flowers. Look at the
There are
pretty. Look at the
usually-
pretty
There are
lane.
usually considerably more flowers, but they're all underwater.
They're all underwater, but the poppies are coming out, or have been out, or who
They're
knows.
just
There
not
they
coming out.
are.
The poppies are popping.
Poppies are popping, y'all. But yeah, that's normally dry.
Well, I mean, usually there's poppies 30 feet out.
Ain't it pretty though?
Beautiful.
It's that time of year.
It is the best time.
Smell like a lemon.
Smells like lemons. Nothing like it.
Big old magnolia tree. Just starting to bloom. Eddie working on the railing, Laura Ann working on some priming. Look back over that. I like that. That's kind of nice, huh?
Just the right height, too.
It's the right height. I'll be here. What are our tasks for the day?
Rest from the weekend.
Rest. So what do we need to rest from?
Our fun and excitement.
What did you
had
do
your,
this
You had your
weekend?
parents in town,
What did you do this weekend?
and I went to Texas and met up with a bunch of my friends from college and hung out with them, and it was exhausting.
Your face looks all puffy. Somebody on Instagram accused you of having a bender this weekend.
A bender?
Yeah.
I probably did have like 6 Diet Pepsis this
Yeah.
weekend. You're probably right. Yeah.
You should tell the people that you don't drink any
I
alcohol.
don't drink at all.
Never have.
This swelling is from something else. Probably salt.
Salt!
A lot of the salt. So what did you do this weekend?
I hung out with Mama and Papa Restoration.
Yeah.
We finally convinced Mama Restoration.
I
to
can't
come
believe after all this
to
time.
Natchez, Mississippi,
Yeah.
and see Hope Farm and hang out with me. And we had so much fun. I'm tired. It has been a heck of a week since Thursday. You left to go on your trip. Mom and Dad got here, and we ran like crazy people for 2 days because I had to show them everything in 2 days.
Yeah.
I had like 36 hours to show them everything.
Yeah, and wrangled
So
a
I
lot of
did.
kittens.
Wrangled a lot of kittens, and I stepped in a fire ant hill, and
Mm.
both my feet and ankles are covered. My neck, the
Yeah.
fire ants,
And then
my
you managed
face
to
has fire
fling
ants.
one of them up onto your neck.
Several. I had several. I had
Ah.
a bite here, I have a bite here, I have bites under here. So it's been, so I'm tired too. I shouldn't be, but I think today's task might be taking a nap.
Amen.
Look at these bottle brush tails. Oh, so vicious. So vicious. So vicious. Vicious, vicious, vicious. Oh my goodness. Oh no, Beans. Beans. You gonna kill him, buddy? You gonna get him? Say hi, Kevin.
Hi, Kevin. Kitten. Tanky, tell that kitten get out of there. Tanky. You tell that kitten. Tell him. What you doing, kitten? Just digging. Tell him.